Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Today I want to introduce you to one of my special friends. Come on, Sal. Come on up.
What? What do you want?
Sal, say a few words.
A few words. Now can I please go back to bed? Oh, we got an audience.
Sal is going to join us and help us draw along.
You bet I am.
Give us some comments, advice, things we all need to hear.
You better believe it.
Sal, do you have anything else to say?
Not right now, but I think we need to draw.
All right, you heard it from him.
All right, let's see what we're gonna do. Show it to me.
Okay, today we're gonna learn how to draw a box in 3D.
Oh yeah, I like sleeping in boxes.
So box is simply a square. And I'm gonna start just by drawing a square at the top of our screen here. And then when we go to draw a box in 3D, I like to start with 2 points above each other, and then 2 more that are spread out. So it's almost the shape of a diamond.
Yeah, that's a great size. I could take a good nap there.
Just watch how I do this first.
We're watching. We're watching. Always watching.
So we create our diamond shape.
Yep, like a diamond.
And then from the corners, we're going to drop 3 vertical lines. Vertical lines that are straight up and down. All the same exact length.
All right, I like the size of that box. I could crawl into that and pounce.
Then we're going to connect the bottom of those.
Yeah, get the bottom there. There you go. That's looking right. I like it.
And we want to make sure our lines are all going the same directions. Like right where I've put these X's, all 3 of those lines should be parallel or going in the same direction. Same with these lines right here, where I've put the small little circles.
That's it. Square all those, make those all parallel.
And then we have our 3 vertical lines, all going straight up and down.
Yeah, we all like a square box. It makes the corners nice.
Okay, let's try that again over here, but we'll slow it down just a little bit. Start with 2 dots right on top of each other, and then 2 more dots that are really spread apart.
Yep.
Connect the dots, and we've created a nice diamond.
There's that word again, diamond. I'm a diamond, and I love boxes.
Let's bring the sides down, and these are going to be equal length.
Oh my, I love boxes. Boxes are a cat's best friend.
Bring up the bottoms.
You know, I even like small boxes.
Now since we're drawing a box, let's practice drawing the lids.
Yep.
Or the folding sides. Get these to be the same length, same angle.
Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
All right, thank you for that message.
We're going to do the same thing on this side.
Make sure you subscribe.
This box that we're drawing right now is a really good practice. Draw this box over and over and over again until you get really good at it.
You know, on that note, a cat can never have enough boxes. So draw that thing, because man, we love boxes, boxes, boxes. Love boxes. Big boxes, small boxes, round boxes. Just throw a few out on the floor and your cat will love it. I love it.
Drawing these edges here, and These are the ones that you want to, I'm just darkening in this one side right now.
And if he's going too fast, just pause the video. You know the drill. Pause it, get caught up. Don't fall behind. We leave no one behind, like the Marines.
So I'm going to change the color just so you could see. You don't need to change the color though. These are the lines that all should be parallel. These are the ones that should all go in the same direction.
Wow, look at that color. Make it all square.
I'm going to change my color now to blue and show you this. These are the lines that should also go in the same direction.
Yep. Just keep practicing. You got this. I know you got it.
When you get these lines going in the same direction, it will really look 3D.
Oh, 3D. Not flat like me. I'm so flat. No, I like the 3D.
All right, let's draw our container with our watermelons. So we're going to start the same way.
Yep. Diamond.
2 dots in the center, 2 dots going out. That creates a diamond shape.
Drop them. Drop the sides.
Drop our sides down.
That's what I just said.
Once those sides are down, we're going to want to draw the bottom of our box. And now we're going to draw the center on the right side.
Make it look like wood. Got to give it some structure.
Yeah, if this box was made out of wood, this might be the framing.
Just like I said, he always copies me.
Excellent job. Okay, let's go ahead and draw some watermelons in the middle now. We'll start off with one round sphere inside the box. We'll put another one behind that. And another behind that. And one more.
You know, you don't have to put watermelons. It could be cat food. It could be fish. You could fill that box with fish.
And I'm going to add some surface lines to give a sense of volume to these spheres.
You see? Yeah. Fish, or chicken, eggs, cat chow. You know how it goes.
And we're going to put a little sign up here so people know what they are.
Just scribble something in.
Then I'm going to extend some surface lines down the side of each of the boxes to create wood. Give a sense that this box is made out of wood.
Yep.
I'm just going to scribble some little letters in here to say it's watermelons, and it just scribbles. It doesn't have to actually say watermelon. It can be anything, actually.
Cats are welcome here. Get your free fish, cat chow, chickens, birds.
And now, I'm just going to darken in a few things. And I think we're ready to go.
All these.
What do you think, Sal?
These are great. I'm ready to take a nap.
All right. Keep practicing those boxes. And you guys have a great day. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
All right. I'm off to take a nap now. Boxes just look too good.